Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide content in this location on Explore settings on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety and now click content UC and now click explore settings. There you will find it. Just click on it like this and it will be hidden. That's how to hide content in this location on explore settings on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.